it's springtime, right? Springtime is right there on its way, and there's a sense of new beginnings, there's a sense of freshness. And usually it's a good time to begin projects. It's a good time to clean out what is incomplete. If you think you won't be doing a thing, you better clean it out, then start afresh. It's a good time to expand. If you're already working on a project and it's working well, it's a good time to, multiply the small thing you have and make it bigger and better. When we are running our race, there is a sense of diligence. You almost have to put everything you've got into this race, and many things will get eliminated in the process. For example, time wastage, hanging around with the wrong people or negativity, spending time on things that don't matter, maybe irrelevant social media, pulling in all your resources into a focused manner so you can run this race with diligence and with results. What do you want to see? Hi, welcome. Thanks for joining us. Where are you from? I'll leave a comment below. It's Mother Ego here. Anyway, so when I think about running the race with diligence, there is a level of focus that is required. There is a level of pulling in all your resources. There is a level of staying in your lane. If you know what you've chosen is what you want to do in this season, you see, you don't have to look on the side to see what is my neighbor doing. Oh my God, I think I should change. No, give your project a chance to grow and flourish. There are times and seasons, right? And there is also a growth curve for any project you start. Sometimes it may start off slow, then it goes into maybe a growth, then maybe a plateau, then another growth. As you change, as you modify, as you get better, as you add things, as you eliminate things. So running your race is going to call to make you have a focus that you've never had before. Use this season, use this exciting new beginnings energy that's in the air, and be encouraged. Just because maybe you have a hiccup or maybe some form of failure in your project, it doesn't mean that things are not going to work. It doesn't mean that at all. It just means you need to modify to get a different strategy in order to accomplish what you want to accomplish. So today I encourage you, if you have that project and you're sitting on it, go get it out and start working on it. If you're already working on it, go and increase it. Have the sense of expansion. You have the ability, you have the help. Most of the help you need will find you on your way as you're going. You see? So have a good time, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. As always, it's Mother Ego. See ya. Bye.